Hi everyone. I am making a complete mess. Look at me. Look at me. But I've been trying the blooms again and I have just created one. Hold on, let me see if I can show it to you quick. Look at that. Stunning. For the first time ever, I have a very beautiful bloom. I've created a couple others up there. I'll show them to you after, but what a mess. I went and I bought more pillow paint because I don't have much of this pillow paint left. And this paint is very, very thick, and I've actually got to water it down to use it. And I thought, well, I don't want to get another thick one like that. I want to get a thinner one. And then I thought I'd also try get a better brand paint, better quality paint. And I thought maybe that would make a difference. So I did that, and I bought Dulux, which of course is a very good brand paint. And it did not work at all. I mean, 5-10 minutes after I did the blooms, all of the paint was separating and sinking and doing all crazy things. So luckily I still had a little bit of my previous house paint left, so I thought, let me do that. Okay, so what I'm doing here now, this is copper mixed with 4 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. This is Amsterdam titanium white mixed only with water, and this is Amsterdam black mixed with Australian Floetrol. I think about 3 parts to 1 part paint. Right, let's blow that. Okay, again I've got some really pretty souls there. Let's spin it. Wow, that is gorgeous. I don't want to lose it though, that's the funny thing now. Let's see if I can get that off rather than losing those. Yeah, that'll work for me. Very pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Very, very cool. but never in my life have I done a technique that is so messy. Look at me. I mean, it's ridiculous, the amount of paint. It's just everywhere. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this one again. It's okay. This one was a swipe, but it's starting to disappear. So I'm going to rather just do a blow again on this one. But I'm getting better. I'm starting to improve. I'm still battling with the white, but now, as you can see, I'm adding the white to two other cell activators, and that seems to be working fine. That seems to be fine. I'm getting pretty effects doing it that way, so maybe I'll just do it that way going forward. Just add the white in to black and whatever other cell activator I have. So this one is 3 cell activators that I'm putting down, as you saw, but it's, you know, it's working. So right, let's go again. I'll put this one at the bottom. And then I'll put some of this one. And some of this one. I think what I should do is I should try this. I bought specially to do blooms on small little stretched canvases. I mean, they're really small. I think they're about 15 centimeters. Again, just to practice and try things out. But I think tomorrow I should just give that a go with the 3 cell activators like this and see how that turns out. But it is so easy to get cells with the black. I don't know why the others are so difficult to get cells. Like, look at that. It's so simple, so easy. It doesn't even matter how you blow it out in their cells. Wow, look at that. That's very cool. Now I'm just going to stop there. Wow, that is so cool. Let me put that up on some cups. And then I'm going to try, oh my goodness, so messy. Okay, right. I'm going to try and wipe the paint off of my hand so that I can stop my phone because I can't touch anything now. And then I'll bring you in for a close-up and show you what I created today doing it this way. Hold on a sec. Okay. My hands are still full of paint. Right, but here, this is what I did today. Really pretty cells that have come through. There's that one. This one. And that one. So, all in all, I got cells on all of them. They came out, I think, very pretty. I think that one's my favorite. But now it's just a case of seeing what it looks like tomorrow. That's all. Radio. That's all. See you next time. Bye.